How to automatically turn on Avast SecureLine VPN for Mac. Enable AutoConnect, install and activate SecureLine VPN. To download the standalone version of SecureLine VPN for Mac, refer to the following article, Installing the Standalone Version of Avast SecureLine VPN for Mac. To activate SecureLine VPN for Mac, refer to the following article, Activating Avast SecureLine VPN for Mac. Enable Avast SecureLine VPN to connect automatically. Avast SecureLine VPN can be used anytime you want to connect to the internet with extra security and privacy, and is especially recommended when you are connected to a public or unsecured wireless network. To automatically turn on SecureLine VPN when connected to an unsecured Wi-Fi network, 1. Click the Avast SecureLine VPN icon in the menu bar and select Open Avast SecureLine VPN. 2. Click the gear icon on the right to open Preferences. 3. Select the Network Security tile in the left side panel, then tick the box next to Automatically when connected to the internet. 4. Avast SecureLine VPN will now connect automatically when your Mac connects to an unsecured Wi-Fi network. If SecureLine VPN is unable to establish a connection, refer to the following article, What should I do if SecureLine is unable to establish a connection?